Alright, what's going on you guys? This is Tech HD and we are in Las Vegas for CES 2022. So I thought this would be the perfect time to show you guys what is in my camera bag for CES 2022. I bought a bunch of stuff with me like microphones, laptops, cameras, all of that to do interviews with people, to do interviews with a whole bunch of booths and stuff like that, to edit, all of that. So let me know down in the comments below, plus everything will be linked down in the description below to my kit.co page so that you guys can take a look at all the stuff that I have with me. And so let's just dive right into it. So the first thing that we got is the backpack itself. So this one is a low pro backpack. This one is the Flipside 500 AW2. It's a pretty big backpack. It holds my laptop really well, my camera, a bunch of my accessories. The only thing that I don't like is this lower flat piece, but overall really nice, really portable, even holds my tripod really well. And so now in that we got a whole bunch of things. So let's start out with the laptop. This one's a little bit of an older laptop. It's a 2017 Asus laptop. It's a gaming laptop, but I usually use it when it comes to when I'm on the go and editing and workflow and all that. And I upgraded it a little bit. I added an NVMe plus an SSD so it could boot up a lot quicker and stuff, but still pretty decent specs. i7 processor on top of that with a good graphics card for editing and all that if I do 4K videos, but for most of it it's going to be 1080 when I'm here in CES. But for the most part, pretty good. Next thing we got is basically this entire thing right here. So we got the Lumix S5. I bought this because it's very nice and portable, and it is a full frame mirrorless camera, so it does really good in low light situations, indoor lighting, stuff like that. And on top of that, I got battery grip on it, and then I have multiple batteries, so I can hold 2 batteries right there on that camera, and I don't have to worry about dying really quickly or anything like that. On top of that, I bought my Peak Design travel tripod, and this is really cool. It's really small and portable, exactly what Peak Design wanted it to be, and it fits right on the side of my backpack, and you got like little straps here to hold it. So really cool. They have a specific spot for the tripod on the front, but since this is actually really small and portable and compact, I'm able to put it onto the side, and I love that, honestly. So Peak Design tripod, highly recommend it if you are traveling a lot. On top of that, I have a Manfrotto head that I put on there. So I replaced the Peak Design one and I put the Manfrotto head, so then I could use my Manfrotto plates and all that. And then on the top, I have a Pixel light, and then on top of that, the microphone that I'm using is a Comica VM20. This one is an on-camera microphone, just connects right into the camera. This is good for like vlogging style, stuff like that. But this is the entire setup that we're working with right here. And everything else is right on this table. So the next thing that we got that goes with my laptop is the mouse itself. This is the Logitech MX Master 2S. Really love it, been having this for years, and I really like it. I should be upgrading to the 3S because this one has USB-C, this one's micro USB, and I had to bring a cable just for this one, which I don't like, but I really like this because of the workflow, the really speed and all that, and it's really nice and comfortable, and it works on any type of surface like glass or wood or anything like that, which is really nice. And I love because I have it set to my laptop or my desktop back at home, so I have multiple profiles, so I really like that when it comes to traveling. On top of that, when I'm monitoring the audio on my camera and when I'm editing on my laptop, I like to use a pair of headphones, and these are studio monitoring headphones. This is the Tascam TH07s. These are over-the-ear headphones. These are super lightweight and comfortable. I love these. I use these on the daily at my studio, at my house, but really nice in travel. I have an extra cable that's much shorter, so I could take with me. So I really like these, and it makes it very dead and flat, so it's really good when it comes to editing, when it comes to voices and stuff like that. So use these when it comes to the editing and also monitoring the audio when I'm out and interviewing and stuff like that. Next thing that we got are 2 accessories. This one is the Rode MTG4 Plus. This is a shotgun microphone, XLR, 48-volt phantom power, stuff like that. And then I got a windscreen on it, and this is really good when it comes to interviews or like top-down shots, stuff like that. And then paired with the Deity HDTX XLR or TRS connection. So what I will do is when I'm interviewing, I have it set up just like this. It'll save right into an SD card, a micro SD card, and then I'll just sync it in post, and they could just be talking. I could give this to anybody at the booth, and they could be talking about their products and stuff like that. And then I'll just sync it all in post, and I'll get really nice, clean audio, which is really cool. So this is the setup that I'm going to be running at CES. So I really like that, and we'll see how that audio performs. Next thing we got is my camera strap. So this is the Peak Design strap right here. This is the light version, and I really like this because I have Peak Design clips on all my cameras. So really nice and easy to remove it, put it on, stuff like that. And so when I want it to be portable and not have it in my camera, I'll just do it like this. I also forgot to mention that the lens that we are using right now is the 24-70 2.8. I really like this because I can have it at different focal lengths, and I can have it at 2.8 aperture, so I can let in as much light and blur out the background, make it nice and cinematic. Right now I'm at 24mm, but that is my go-to lens when I'm traveling, so I don't have to take so many lenses with me. A nice standard zoom lens is perfect. Next thing we got, this is usually in my pocket, but these are earbuds. These are the Sony W1000 M3 earbuds, and I really like these. I want to upgrade to the 4s because they are better with noise cancellation and a couple new features, so I really want to try that. But in the meantime, we got the Mark 3s, and this is when I'm just in the Uber and traveling and stuff like that, on the plane, whatever. And the major thing that we have in my camera bag that is very important to me when it comes to organizing and keeping everything where I want it to be is this tech pouch. Now, huge shout out to my friend Krillos. He let me borrow his tech pouch. This is not mine. He also let me borrow the Pixel Lite as well, so I'll leave a link to his profile and all that. But this is the tech pouch. I want to buy my own. They were just unavailable before I could go to CES, unfortunately, and also that light is really nice as well. But the tech pouch has everything that I need. For example, like I have the light in here normally, and then I have a bunch of other stuff. So going through the major thing, we got a whole bunch of cables. We got USB-C to C, we got USB-C to A, we got lightning cable for my phone, and then we got regular, another USB-C to C. Most of my devices take USB-C, which is really nice. I like that they're changing to that. My phone takes lightning, and then the MX Master 2 takes micro, which is the only cable that, which is the only device I need to use this cable for. So that's why I want to upgrade to the 3 version, because it takes USB-C. But basically all my devices for the most part take USB-C, and I love that. Next thing we got is a dual battery charger for my Lumix S5 battery, so I could hold 2. This is the Wasabi power one, and it could charge 2 at the same time. I have 3 in here. And then we got a wireless MagSafe charger from Anker. This is great for my phone if I'm out and about and I haven't been in the hotel or been able to charge it. This is cool because it's just MagSafe, and then on top of that, it's also a little bit of a stand too, so I could just take this flap off, put it like this, have it my phone vertical or horizontal, and it'll still be charging it, and I really like that. Really nice and compact and super portable, so that's why I really wanted to take with me. On top of that, we got multiple SD cards. So we got one SD card on my Lumix S5. They're Angelbird cards. We got another one over here, and then we got a SD card adapter, and then we got micro for the Deity microphone. So that's really good as well. Make sure that I have all my memory cards for this. Next thing we got is just my cologne, portable cologne. It is the Polar Blue, so I just smell nice and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy, but it has a compartment for that as well, which I really like. And then we got my portable SSD hard drive. This is a SanDisk one. This is 500 gigs. This will have all my files, all my templates from Adobe Premiere Pro and Photoshop when I make the thumbnails, as well as it has all my presets and stuff like that. So I have it all in here. I just hook it up to my laptop to USB-C again. So I really like that. We got a cleaning cloth to clean the lens on the camera and also my displays and a whole bunch of stuff like that. We got some wall chargers for the camera batteries and also for other devices. This one's regular USB, this one's USB-C, this is the Anker one. I usually use this for my phone, but now I use it for a whole bunch of other devices. Super small and portable, really like these. We got the cable for my headphones, the Tascam TH07s. And then we got a dual SD card reader from Angelbird again, so this I could just plug into my laptop. My laptop does take SD, but I don't want to like take a risk if for any reason it doesn't work, and so I just bring this as well. Really nice quality, aluminum, all of that, really good build quality, and so I really like that. And then we got 2 extra batteries for the Lumix S5. I have one, of course, on there, but we got 2 as well right here. So really nice and portable. I could keep this all, like I said, in my tech pouch. And then last thing are some pens. And then that is basically it that's in the tech pouch. The last thing that I did forget that I wanted to mention is this necklace actually right here. So this is a camera tool necklace. This is from the Full-Time Filmmaker Gear. It's on Amazon, of course. I'll link it down in the description below. But this is basically great for Manfrotto plates or anything with a flat that needs a flathead screwdriver, so I don't have to take a screwdriver with me. I could just take this off and I could just use this piece right here and just unscrew that flathead piece if I don't want it and screw it back in, tighten it, all of that. And it's really good because I could just keep this on me. I don't have to forget about it. I could just always wear it with me. Looks really nice as well, and I really like that because I was like, immediately I wanted to buy this because I don't want to take a flathead screwdriver or anything like that. And so this is really nice and it's stylish as well, and it's very convenient. So definitely need this. What I really like is the fact that I was able to fit all of these things, these small little things, into the tech pouch, and so I think that is one of the most important things to have in my camera backpack, because it made everything nice and organized and neat, and I knew exactly where everything was. On top of that, of course, I got my laptop when it comes to editing and making the videos, of course, and then I got my tripod if I want to do this type of scenario. Most of it is going to be portable. I got my camera, I got a light, I got a shotgun microphone. That is going to be my B microphone just in case if this one gives me some issues. And of course we got the audio. So we got audio, we got lighting, we got stand, we got a laptop for editing, we got headphones for monitoring, we got hard drives, we got extra batteries, we got basically everything needed to do CES 2022. So let me know down in the comments below on what I should upgrade, what I should do, and then like I said, everything is going to be down in the description below to the kit.co page. And then most of these things I actually made videos for. So I made a video of upgrading my hard drive for my laptop, I made a video on the Tascam, I made a video on the Rode microphone, and a bunch of other stuff. So scroll through my page and you'll see a bunch of these videos and reviews that I covered for these products. But there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys would like to see in CES 2022. I'm going to try my best to cover everything in the booth, and then also follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, because that I will be posting as well live of all the stuff that we're seeing there as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, TechHD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!